Welcome! If you're someone who chats with the same person on Snapchat all the time, there's a super easy way to save time and keep their chat just one tap away. In this quick guide, I'll show how to pin a friend's chat directly to your home screen using Snapchat's updated feature. First, go ahead and open Snapchat on your phone. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account and friends. Next, tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see your full list of Snapchat friends. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the person whose chat you want to pin. Once you've found the friend, press and hold their name. A menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. This is where Snapchat lets you customize how you interact with that specific friend. Now, look for the option that says Pin Shortcut to Home Screen. Tap on it, and Snapchat will guide you through adding that shortcut directly to your phone's home screen.